Are you looking to make money online? Do you want to discover reliable platforms that can help you earn income from the comfort of your home? Look no further. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. We will be talking about 2 amazing websites that can unlock your potential for making money online. So, grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's get started. Enthusiastically, hello and welcome. In this video, we will introduce you to up-4ever.net, the fantastic website that will help you earn extra income online. Up-4ever.net, your gateway to online profit. Up-4ever.net is a great website that provides you with opportunities to upload and share files with others. But here's the exciting part: every time someone downloads your files, you earn money. Yes, simply by sharing your files, you can make financial profits. Whether you're a content creator, an artist, or a digital marketer, Up-4ever.net offers you a wonderful chance to earn money through your passion. Hello again. In this video, we will introduce you to another fantastic website that can help you make money online. Let's explore Pixabay Music. Pixabay Music is a remarkable website that provides a vast library of free and copyright-free music. You can browse through a diverse collection of different sounds and music that can be used in your creative projects. With Pixabay Music, you can access a wide range of musical sounds suitable for videos, presentations, advertisements, games, and more. All the music available on the website is free and can be used freely in your personal or commercial projects. Enthusiastically, get ready to enhance your creative projects with the help of Pixabay Music. Here, you will find an amazing array of sounds and music that you can download for free and use in your creations. Just visit the link https://pixabay.com/music/ to enjoy a fantastic experience and find the right music for your project. Don't miss the opportunity to add a wonderful atmosphere to your projects and enjoy beautiful music easily and for free. Take advantage of Pixabay's diverse and high-quality music collection to enhance your content and bring vibrancy to your creative projects. Here, you will find music clips of various genres such as energetic music, romantic music, calming music, and much more. Imagine working on a promotional video for your new project. By using the right music that reflects the project's mood and captures the audience's attention, all for free and in high quality. Don't hesitate to search for suitable music for your creative projects. Just visit Pixabay Music and explore their fantastic collection of free music. Use it in videos, TV programs, advertisements, audio clips, and any project you desire. Host, enthusiastically, get ready to discover the amazing world of music with Pixabay Music. Visit the link https://pixabay.com/music/ and enjoy browsing the vast collection of free music. Start your creative journey and add a magical touch to your projects with Pixabay Music. We are confident that you will find everything you need in Pixabay Music to showcase your creativity and achieve your vision in the best possible way. People can benefit financially from online websites in several ways. There are many platforms and websites that provide opportunities to make money and earn additional income. Here are some common ways to monetize online platforms. Advertising and marketing. Individuals can benefit from advertisements on their personal websites or social media channels. When visitors or followers interact with the ads or purchase promoted products, the person earns financial returns. Programming and development. Developers and programmers can leverage their skills to build and sell websites and online applications to individuals or companies. They can also develop templates and plugins for popular web platforms and sell them to users. Freelancing and gig economy. People can offer their services and skills online, such as graphic design, translation, writing, digital marketing, online coaching, and more. Monetary amounts are paid for the work provided. Musicians can upload their own music to online platforms and make money from it. There are many websites that provide this opportunity, where musicians, composers, and authors can upload their songs and musical works and showcase them to the audience. Once the music is uploaded, there is an opportunity to generate financial returns. This can be done through licensing and sales. Musicians can license their music for use in advertisements, movies, video games, and other commercial projects. Clients pay monetary amounts for the rights to use the music. Paid streaming and listening. Some websites and platforms offer paid music streaming services, where users pay subscription fees to listen to the music. The music owner receives a percentage of these fees. Direct sales. Musicians can sell their songs and albums directly to the audience through online platforms, providing purchasing and downloading options. I hope that you will share the video for the benefit of others, and I hope that you will subscribe and like to follow all my videos and support me.